Okay, we're going to solve our first order differentiation. So this is the initial condition. Basically, say when x is pi, y will be 0. So the first thing we have to do, we have to put it in the form of y prime plus px of y equal to qx. So as you can see here, we don't have y prime p of y is equal to qx. So to have that form, we're going to have to divide the entire thing by 1 over x cubed. So 1 over x cubed y plus xy, right? Equal to x cubed to x minus a plus 4 sine of x, right? Okay. Now I can cancel this one. Plus this one divided by this one multiplied by this one will give you an x at the bottom. So you have a over x y, and then this one you're gonna have an x on top. So basically what we have here, 2x minus a plus 1 and sine x. And note side, this y I have x minus a plus 1. It's because 2x minus a times x 4. That was the initial thing I had. So if I divide it by x cubed, so I have an x on top, right? So for multiplication, you add the exponent for the same variable. So that's what I have it in that way, fashion. So now basically we put it in the form we want, that form. So now we need to find the integrating factor. But first, we're gonna have x h to the x equals to, you integrate p of x, right? Here, where is our p of x? Our p of x is a over x, right? So you integrate p a over x dx, right? So when you integrate that thing, you have x, so you have a, which is a constant, and then 1 over x dx is natural log of x. Right? Let's fix it. Let's make it look natural log of x to the a. Basically what we do, we move that one. We move the coefficient, we put it as an exponent. So mu, which is the integrating factor, some people call it I call it mu. It's e to the h of x, right? So mu will be e. What is my h of x? H of x is natural log of x to the a. So I have an e and a natural log. I can get equal. So my mu would be basically that thing, the x to the a. So I have my integrating factor. So basically I'm going to multiply the entire equation by the integrating factor. So when I multiply by the integrating factor, I have x of a y prime plus, multiply that, you have x of a minus 1 y equal to multiply. So if I multiply this one by x of a, so x of a cancel, so I only have to x sine of x. right? Side mode, like if I have x of a time x minus 1, like I bring it up, so that's what I have, x a minus 1. So similarly for this one here, I have 2x minus a plus 1 times x of a, right? This one is basically x minus 8 x of a. So this one, I only have 2x over here. Yeah, this is the trick here. Basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna integrate both sides. So to integrate that side, you have to see clearly that this is like a chain rule. So if I'm trying to integrate the chain rule, basically I have x of a y. Alright, if you trying to integrate, if you're trying to take the derivative of this one, you have to have that one. If I'm trying to take the derivative of this one, I'm going to have the x of a times the derivative of the second plus the derivative of the first, which is x. I'm eliminated here. The derivative of the is a x a minus 1 and y, right? So that's exactly what you have. If you take the derivative of this one, you have to have that one. So therefore, this one is, when you integrate that one, you have that equal to. Now we're going to have to use by parts, integrating by parts for this one, because you have 2x and sine x, right? So what we need to do, like side, so what's going to be my u, and then what's going to be my my v, my du, and all those good stuff. So I'm going to pick 2x to be my u, so du will be 2 dx. So my dv will be sine x dv, sine x dx. So my v will be, when you integrate sine x, you have minus cosine x. So the formula for this one is u v minus integrate v du, right? So basically what I'm gonna have here gonna be 2x times minus cos, so minus 2x cosine x minus make it positive, so 2 cosine x dx. I can get rid of this one. So I still have x of a, equal to minus 2x cos x. So now I can integrate that one plus 2. When you integrate cosine x, you have sine x and plus c. Don't forget your plus c. So what's going to be y? Going to be 1 over x a minus 2x cosine x plus 2 sine x plus c.